आपको लिए चलते हैं लोकसभा की कार्यवाही में क्या वहां पर हो रहा है, आपको दिखाते हैं।
Respectively, Speaker and Deputy Speaker thereof, and so office of the House of the Speaker or Deputy Speaker become vacant. Sir, this is the situation, sir. Immediately after the election, Speaker and Deputy Speaker to be elected. Last 7 years, you are not elected as Deputy Speaker. You created a constitutional vacuum. You created a constitutional vacuum, sir. Sir, who will win that? This question is very clear. Article 96 is very clear. Therefore, the House has to... Sir, my submission, sir. The House has to select a person to sit in the chair. Sir, then they can conduct.
आप बैठ जाइए, आप बैठ जाइए, आप बैठ जाइए, सौगत राय जी।
Please read 95(2) with me. During the absence of the Speaker from any sitting of the House or the people, the Deputy Speaker, or if he is also absent, such person as may be determined by the rules of the procedure of the House, or if no such person is present, such other person as may be determined by the House shall act as Speaker. So the main question is, Speaker is not there. Speaker is not there. Deputy Speaker has not been selected. So such other person as may be determined by the rules of procedure of the House. Has such other person been determined by the rules of procedure of the House? You are just going and sitting there. But you have not been decided, finalized by the House. Let there be a motion moved by the Parliamentary Affairs Minister.
Sri Ravi Shankar Prasad ji.
That Jagdambika Baldi. Otherwise you cannot sit.
सर, बड़ी विनम्रता से मैं कहना चाहूंगा कि किसी भी अगर प्रावधान को पढ़ा जाता है तो उसको पूर्णता में पढ़ना चाहिए। मैं 95 clause 2 को फिर पढ़ना चाहता हूं। During the absence of speaker from any sitting of the House, the people, the deputy speaker of is also absent, such person as may be determined by the rules of procedure of the House. If no such person is present, such other person as may be determined. जो rules of procedure से जो प्रेजाइड करने के लिए अधिकृत है, जिसमें आप भी आते हैं, आपको पूरा अधिकार है इस पर प्रेजाइड करने का। जब कोई ऐसा पैनल का व्यक्ति नहीं है तब आपको डिटरमिन करना पड़ेगा। इसलिए फिर मैं कह रहा हूं, कृपा करके देखिए, और इफ नो सच पर्सन, ये कॉमा, इसलिए जो ऑलरेडी डिटरमिन्ड है रूल 10 के अंतर्गत, जिसमें आप भी आते हैं, आपको पूरा अधिकार है। दूसरी बात मैं कहना चाहूंगा सर, मैं अपनी बात कंप्लीट कर लूं, अपनी बात मैं कंप्लीट कर लूं। आप आर्टिकल 96
शंकर जी को अलाउ किया नहीं,
आर्टिकल 96 का क्लॉज देखिए, स्पीकर के बारे में इतनी बात कही जा रही है, उसमें भी स्पीकर को अधिकार है कि वहां बैठे, बोले और वोट भी दे सकता है स्पीकर, तब उसके खिलाफ कोई कार्रवाई चल रही है। हाँ, जब टाई होगा तो वोट नहीं देंगे। तो सर, मेरा आपसे आग्रह है, ये सारे ऑब्जेक्शन बेबुनियाद है, इसको रिजेक्ट करिए। वो बहस से भाग रहे हैं, यही दिक्कत है। बहस कराइए, हम लोग इस पूरे प्रस्ताव को डिफीट करिए, तैयार बैठे हुए हैं।
A point of order was raised by Ubaisi साहब, KC Venugopal ji, Saugat Rai ji. So regarding this point of order, admitting a motion for removal of honorable speaker does not make the office of the speaker vacant. So now it is clear the office of the speaker is not vacant, because still the matter is only under consideration. The office of the speaker will be vacant only after adoption of the resolution. What do you are saying? This is no point of order, and because of there is no merit in point of order, because only after adoption, if by majority it will be voted, then if the only can be vacant, office is, otherwise still there is no, you can't say कि now speaker is office is vacant. Please.
बस ये पढ़िए, बस।
अब प्रश्न ये है, मैंने सबको अनुमति दे दिया, प्रश्न ये है कि संकल्प प्रस्तुत करने की अनुमति प्रदान की जाए। जो माननीय सदस्य संकल्प प्रस्तुत करने के लिए अनुमति दिए जाने के पक्ष में हो वो कृपया अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाएं। पचास से अधिक सदस्य प्रस्ताव के पक्ष में खड़े हुए हैं। नियम 201(3) के अंतर्गत संकल्प प्रस्तुत करने की अनुमति प्रदान की जाती है। जावेद जी, श्री जावेद जी, अब संकल्प प्रस्तुत करिए, संकल्प प्रस्तुत करिए।
Sir, I move the following resolution that this House, having taken into consideration the conduct of the Speaker of the House as regards disallowing the leader of the opposition and other opposition leaders to speak, making unwarranted allegations against women MPs belonging to the opposition, suspending opposition MPs for an entire session for raising issues of public concern and not rebuking ruling party members for making wholly objectionable and derogatory remarks against former PMs, feel he has ceased to maintain an impartial attitude necessary to command the confidence of all sections of this House, that in his partisan attitude he disregards the right of members of the House and makes pronouncements and gives ruling calculated to effect and undermine such rights, and he openly espouses the version of the ruling party on all controversial matters, that all these acts constitute a serious danger to the proper functioning of this House and ventilating effectively the felt concern and grievances of the people, and therefore resolve that he be removed from his office.
तो लोकसभा में विपक्ष के द्वारा स्पीकर को लेकर जो अविश्वास प्रस्ताव लाया गया था, इसे लेकर लगातार चर्चा जारी है। तमाम अपडेट आपको देते रहेंगे, लेकिन रुकते एक छोटे से ब्रेक के लिए। देखते रहिए इंडिया न्यूज।